There was a time when a home that had been affected by water damage would have been considered worthless. But thanks to new, innovative technology and hard work, we are able to save your beloved property and belongings. When you have a flooded home, you will need a professional company to come to your home and extract the water. Do not try and do this process by yourself. Water extraction is not as easy as it sounds, and it is only possible if you have the right equipment. You cannot clean up water damage with just a mop and some towels. You need professional water damage restoration service, and you can get that by calling us now.